Hello and welcome back to John's Lawn Mowing. In today's video we are carrying on with our video series of how to build a business in collaboration with Ariens, and today's topic we are looking at online listings that you can get for your business that are free. Years ago, many businesses would have paid to have their company listed or their product or their service in different printed publications in the past. Thankfully, we live in the modern digital age world and things have changed very dramatically. Most people have one of these in their pocket to be able to search for a product, service or business at the touch of a button. So as you're starting your business, what can help you get recognized from the beginning in this digital platform? I've come up with a list of 5 listings that you can get for your business absolutely free that will help create a digital fingerprint for you and your business to be found by those who are searching for a product or a service that is relevant to your business. As I come down through the 5 different listings, I'll finally get to the one that I think is the most important of the 5. At number 5, we're looking at Yellcom. Years ago, the Yellow Pages, a lot of people paid to have their company with a printed colourful image of their business to be able to stand out when people were searching through the pages. Nowadays on Yell.com, people pay to be found at the top of the listing when they're searching for a business. But just like the old Yellow Pages and Yell.com now, you can still get a free listing for your business on their platform. While this might not seem like an important aspect of a free listing, it is creating a digital fingerprint of you and your business in more than one place on the internet. So typically, while you might not find much work coming through the phones or emails to get through to you from Yell.com from a free listing, it still adds to the benefit of your business. At number 4, we're looking at YouTube. YouTube is a little bit further down the list purely because as a new startup business, you might not feel comfortable talking to a camera and creating video content to share with potential customers. However, having a listing on YouTube still adds toward that digital fingerprint of multiple platforms on the internet for people to find your name and your business. Further down the road, you should be able to come back to your YouTube channel and create video content that will help promote your video in a very strong organic way. As you create these videos and put descriptions in with links to your social media and your website and different details that are relevant to your business, this helps create awareness within Google's algorithm about you and your business, making it easier for people to find you. At number 3, we're looking at Instagram. Instagram's a great way to be able to take photographs and share it on social media, utilizing the power of hashtags, completely free, getting your name out there. In the bio of your Instagram page and account, you can list down whether you have a website, your other social medias, and different contact information. Because Instagram is owned by Facebook, it plays a vital role in a connection with a Facebook business page. Which leads us down to item number 2, your Facebook business page. Facebook is a very powerful platform. It attracts all kinds of people with different interests, with different groups, pages, video content, blogs, personal profiles, connecting with friends and family. So a lot of people are on Facebook for a number of different reasons, which is a great opportunity to have a Facebook business page, a free listing for when people are searching in different local community groups for recommendations. As you put your name in the hat, maybe you can use a link to your Facebook page to showcase the kind of work, whether it's posts or videos or pictures that you've taken of the work that you do. If you have reviews on a Facebook business page, this can go a long way to instilling confidence in somebody when you are making a recommendation for you and your business and the services that you provide. A great benefit of both Instagram and Facebook, because they're owned by the same company, means that when you link your Instagram page to your business page on Facebook, you can post away on Instagram and it will automatically upload to your business Facebook page. This means you don't have to spend time uploading the same pictures that you've put on Instagram also onto Facebook, but it automatically does it for you. Again, the links between the two can work hand in hand for creating a good, strong digital fingerprint on the internet. And finally, in my opinion, the most important free listing for your business, Google My Business. Many companies can pay to be found at the top page 1 of Google for their services by paying for that sponsored position on the page. However, just a little fraction down on page 1 of Google, if you have your business listed with Google My Business, you can be found right there with a little map and a list of other companies that provide the same service. The more time and effort that you put into your profile with pictures and content for your Google My Business account, the higher you can appear on that search term within the map. When you combine all 5 different aspects of Yell.com, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Google My Business, all with free listings on the internet, this helps to create a wider reach for Google's algorithm to see that you are a legitimate business and then feature your business more organically in search terms for your company. So there you have it, my top 5 free listings for your business in the digital age. Perhaps you're an experienced business owner and know of other areas of where a person could register their business for free online. Feel free to leave that in the comment section below for everybody to be able to gain from the shared experience of knowledge. I want to give a big huge thank you to Ariens for collaborating with me on this video series, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.